Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix Ghost Touch problem on your Honor 400 Pro. So, what is a Ghost Touch? Basically, a Ghost Touch happens when the phone registers touches without you doing anything. So it's a little bit frustrating, but I'll show you how to hopefully fix it. First, let's start off with the simplest step. Restart the phone, because this can often resolve the minor software glitches that can cause ghost touches. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you guys see this menu pop up. Now click restart and touch the icon again to restart the device. So I'll see you guys once the phone restarts. Now, after a restart, try removing the screen protector or a case. So, first, don't remove anything. I'll tell you how to do that. Basically, removing your screen protector only if it's poorly applied. So, try removing the screen protector if you see that it's poorly placed or it's a misplaced. So, now after trying to remove the screen protector, try and see if the touch is any better and if the ghost touch disappeared. Now if it didn't, then try to take the phone case away from the phone or remove it, because it can interfere with the touch screen and it can cause the ghost touches. So remove everything from your phone, like the screen protector and a case, to see if the problem is still here or it's fixed. Now, if this still didn't help you, then try and clean the screen. Sometimes the dirt, oil, or maybe moisture on the screen can cause it to misbehave, and it also includes the ghost touches. So clean the screen using a microfiber cloth and make sure that your fingers are dry and free of oil when using the screen. So now try and give it a few scrubs just like that. Don't push too hard, we don't want to break anything, we just want to clean the screen. So don't do it too harsh. Now, what you guys can try is check for interference from external devices. So it could be like the USB cable, like the charger, or even the Bluetooth devices that can cause the interference with the screen. So try disconnecting everything like charging cables and Bluetooth devices to see if the ghost touches stop. So first open up your phone. Now make sure that here we have the Bluetooth disabled. The icon here has to be gray, and that would mean that the Bluetooth is disabled. Now, to disconnect the charger, you know how to do that. The port is right here. Simply plug it away, but don't do it too fast, as you can break the USB-C port. So be careful. Now, if it's still not fixed, try updating your software. Sometimes software glitches, including those ghost touches, can be resolved by updating to the latest version of the software. So go over to the settings. Now here, scroll a bit down until you guys see system and updates. Go to software update and check if you have the latest version. It will check automatically for you. So I'll double check it for you guys. And now make sure that you're running the latest version of the Magic OS. Now if an update is available for you, then download and install it. And if not and you're running the latest version, then the issue might be resolved by the factory reset. It's only a last resort, so if none of those steps worked for you, then the factory reset is the last one. Now, basically, don't leave the system and update yet. Go to backup and restore and heal backup or your data, because resetting your phone basically like deletes all your important files, data, photos, and everything like messages. So here you can back it up like the data backup or the Google backup, depending on what you want. It's all up to your preference. Now go to reset and here select reset phone. Click it again right at the bottom. Enter your password if you have one. And then click either backup here or reset but keep E6. So that'd be it. If it still didn't help you, then the ghost touch issue might be caused by the hardware. It may be the faulty screen or a digitizer, so it's best to visit the service center to have the phone checked out and repaired by professionals. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.